Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make salsa in a blender. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of ripe Roma tomatoes, 1 small white onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. For a touch of heat, include 1 jalapeno, or 2 if you prefer it spicier. Don't forget a generous half cup of fresh cilantro and the juice of 1 lime. These simple components are the foundation for a delicious, homemade salsa. Now, let's get our ingredients ready for the blender. Roughly chop your 1.5 pounds of tomatoes, the small white onion, and the jalapeno. Remember, if you want less heat, remove the seeds and membranes from the jalapeno. Peel and lightly smash your 2 garlic cloves. Finally, give your half cup of fresh cilantro a quick wash and a rough chop. These simple preparations ensure everything blends smoothly and evenly. It's time to blend. Carefully add all your prepped ingredients into your blender. Squeeze in the juice of 1 fresh lime, which brightens the flavors, and add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now, for the magic, pulse the blender a few times, about 5 to 7 short pulses if you prefer a chunky salsa. For a smoother consistency, blend for an additional 10 to 15 seconds until it reaches your desired texture. Taste and adjust seasoning as needed. Your delicious homemade salsa is now ready. Carefully transfer it from the blender into a serving bowl. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. This vibrant salsa is perfect served immediately with your favorite tortilla chips, tacos, or as a topping for grilled meats. Any leftover salsa can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, maintaining its fresh flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.